Precisely, this is the quotation marks. When do we use these quotation marks? Used to indicate the exact words of the writer or speaker, and they are repeated by someone. Quotation marks are used to enclose or a direct quotation. For examples, I asked, who is the class teacher of your class? So should be it should be quoted. The inspector asked, comma, who is your employer? So of course, you're going to use here question mark because you are asking who is your employer. What is his name? Quotation mark after the word name, and after quotation mark you should use question mark. Take note with the punctuation used in these sentences. Okay? So how about this one? Are you familiar with this, class? Yes, precisely. This is called hyphen. When do we use this punctuation? Hyphen is used to join two parts of a word or phrase, particularly a compound noun, to divide a word between two adjectives and to clarify the meaning. For example, coexist, so it should be separated by the hyphen. First hyphen in, hyphen first and out. Another is this one. Are you familiar with this, students? Yes. Exactly, this is called parenthesis. When do we use this parenthesis? This is used to separate the words or group of words within a sentence from the rest of a sentence. Examples: providing additional information. Use parentheses to include supplementary details that are not essential to the main sentence but provide helpful context. So just an additional information. For example, the event which was held at the convention center was a great success. You use parentheses in close and open parentheses with the starting which and ending with center. Use parentheses to clarify the pronunciation. Yes, so again, we use parentheses to clarify the pronunciation of the word. Next, to include dates, numbers, or acronyms. Yes, we use parentheses for including dates, numbers, or acronyms that offer additional context. Or in other words, parentheses is just for adding information or for an additional information. Next, we have adding citations or references. So, of course, it is very common that in citations or references, we use parentheses, especially in the dates. Next, we have, how about this one? This is called as bracket. So, bracket is used to enclose or group together one or more words, symbols, and it's also used to enclose figures or words already in parentheses. So, example, highlighting edits or additions. Yan. Use brackets to indicate edits or addition in quoted material. For example, in your research work, in discussing the response of your respondents, so you should use this bracket. Last one is the period or full stop. Of course, you are familiar with this, aren't you? Yes, this is period. This is a very common punctuation. This mark indicates the end of a sentence or abbreviation to separate the sentence. For example, just saying, I am happy. Just put period. So that's stating something. Just expressing something that's you are going to use full stop or period. Now, let me ask the importance of using proper punctuations. Do you have an idea? Learning this punctuation has an importance in our life, in your everyday life. So what is the importance of this? Yes, in summary, punctuation is fundamental to effective communication in writing, especially in writing. It serves as a set of tools that writers can use to structure their ideas, guide readers, and convey meaning with precision and clarity. Writers who master punctuation contribute to the overall effectiveness and impact of their written communication. In short, using proper punctuations can impact your written text or your essay and any form of writing. Alright, please take note with these references of this lesson. And again, thank you for listening. I am Miss Arna de la Vega, and I hope you learned something and you apply that rules of punctuations in any form of writing or when you write something or in your everyday doing. Thank you and God bless.